Hey everyone, wanna come to the Dogman movie with me?
Oh, yes.
I'd love to.
Sure. Okay, let's get in the car.
Hey, Torrey, can I have my burrito? And my delicious croissant.
And my 100,000 cookies.
No, you three, we are not getting burritos, or croissants, or 100,000 cookies for a movie snack. No outside food or drink unless purchased inside.
But, Torrey...
No buts, Billy. And you better act on your best behavior or I will put you in timeout.
Later.
This is gonna be